Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best drawer rolling carts. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the medium 10 drawer cart with organizer top. It is straightforward to test and keep all of your documents accessible with a dependable drawer organizer cart. And if you need to look all your files right through your storage, transparent or clean drawers is probably the high-quality choice for you. This organizer cart gives 10 clean drawers that allow to easily perceive the files and contents just earlier than you take them out. The built-in storage packing containers without problems go with the flow inside and out of the terrific and sturdy plastic rack. It comes with 4 caster wheels for more advantageous mobility. You can move it around your room or office with none hassle. It continues it easy with tones of black and white that you may fit together with your minimalist interiors. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Seville Classics G16210 10-drawer organizer. Taking the second spot on our list is any other entry from Seville Classics. This organizer cart comes in a translucent end that lets you to pick out your documents less difficult through the semi-transparent drawers. With its generous areas, you can deliver your files, handicraft items, arts and resources, and plenty of other materials a proper and systematic storage. The drawers are all detachable, clean to put in and put off anytime you want to, and due to the fact this organizer cart is available in white, you can complement it with your minimalist room or office with white colorings. At number 3, we have the Seville Classics 10-drawer organizer cart. Did you ever try organizing your handicraft and stitching items in a drawer organizer cart? It's possibly much less complicated to get the entirety you want very quickly. And due to the fact this Seville Classics drawer organizer comes with multicolored drawers, it's far an awful lot easier to identify which objects move where. The 2 locking and 2 non-locking wheels also sell mobility and better stability whilst you location it in a delegated spot. The drawers offer roomy areas that you could fill in with a diffusion of materials. You can without problems waft them inside and outside of the rack that it is product of metal. You can use it at domestic for storing a few family essentials, in the storage for higher coloration coded device utilization, or within the office for a practical storage. At number 2, we have the ADVANTUS 10-drawer rolling file organizer cart. If you need to maximize your area at domestic at the same time as preserving all the mess away, this 10-drawer rolling organizer cart from ADVANTUS is another remarkable choice to take into account. When you have all your files at home or within the workplace which you need to systemize, this drawer cart is an amazing and extra inexpensive alternative for record cabinets. This characteristic 10 spacious drawers with handles that assist you to take them out and lower back to the rack relaxed. This drawer cart additionally glides smoothly on the surface anywhere you want to place it with the 2 locking and non-locking wheels. It is sleek and stylish that blends in together with your workplace interiors. And finally at number 1, we have the Finnhomy 10-drawer rolling storage cart. The first thing you might have noticed with this drawer cart is the curved frames which are product of chrome-plated metal and constructed with tubular that make it greater long-lasting and now not flimsy. It comes with 10 drawers and 5 unique hues that allow you to systemize your documents and other gadgets. The drawers are semi-obvious, too. This allows you to test your items proper through the bins. The drawer cart also capabilities 4 easy flow casters with locks that permit you to move around the room perfectly. And in case you want to region it in a selected spot, you could lock the wheels. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this drawer rolling carts, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.